Gutuika journalist.
Ndenda gutuika journalist.
Warekia form 4 ni uko kibanga iza muiro kingirite campus.
Yes. Rudarekia form 4 on the day of results shia kuma shia KCSE.
Is shia B?
Shia B is the day my mom passed.
Oh no.
By always fate would have it dakoretwo tu ari thibitari then rudatigitwo mucindirio wika because nake my sister hedio ari college guku Nairobi. So gikimwira around I think 2 p.m.ish and then I called I think my aunt or my sister Gemera na makijira nemera mom and she was very happy.
Wow.
And then later that evening she passed on.
Akoretwo atakuigwa wega.
Ni akoretwo atakuigwa wega. Akoretwo thibitari in and out.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No ne amenya we na grade B.
Ne amenya de na grade B and gikirwo ru ni my sister na my aunt ni akenire. Na gikiuga ru kaire tugake ni gago githomo na hau hangi hatigara and then she passed on.
The same day.
Yes. I remember it was on the 3rd of March.
Wow, 3rd of March?
Yes.
Which year?
2014.
2014. Yes. Ni chiana ichi. He, warekia 2014.
Yeah.
Stacey na ketha. Mamiona ni uguka mwena uyu. Ni waraingira kuma riu thaa mugwanja twerwo.
Okoro yana kia hinya.
Ewe haririe ndio kana ni ukunywa foda. Wenywe foda, arathi skodi ya half an hour nawe half an hour. Wow.
Yeah.
Riu ni waingira kambi. Oh my, riu ni mwambe muthikane.
Riu twathikana doka Nairobi. Okay, twathikana.
Riu murathikana murekara kenari bado murekara kenari.
Murekara kenari. No riu tukuthika my mom uthaya gwa champion. Tondu niko na my dad athikitwo.
Oh no.
So twamuthika hau. That's 2014. Gwatuika ni nguka Nairobi jikare na my aunt and also gikagega kothi in the meantime itanagithi campus twetereire tondu hendio ni waihuragia at least 3 universities ugetwo imwe of the 3 ugi twetereire ringi ukaguko Nairobi guikara na my aunt itakomutengura itago Auntie Duta riu ngikara nake gika computer then dathomira hau St Peter Clavers gika computer ngirikia jeterire guthi campus ri ngikietha kawira nguyu kwambia kuga ngihika nginya ngugismairete
indie ndeci cia maundu maingi muno haya riu woka Nairobi ku
kwa my aunt
Landomawe
tugikaranga ngetha kawira ndireciria tandonire hindi yo but I was very very focused.
Yes.
Gwetha wira no ndiraririkana tandonire wira hindi yo riu ni ndatithagiriria guka nake akoragwo na gatuka haria country bus
guka wanyu
guka my late guka riu ni twatindanagia nake hau
no wathiaga koguo ona tuika shopkeeper haya
ari na duka yako dia chains ngufia
haya niki wena mugathi mwega
thank
Nyuranyita seri basiri.
So uguo and then I went to campus 2014 September.
Don't know get like Laikipia University.
Yes. 2014 September.
Very good. Waigira goko guthi kothi ya journalism.
Guthi etago in Laikipia etago communication and media.
Communication and media.
Yes.
Ni oko enroll. Ni uguthoma.
Guthoma wega muno. Otogestraguraga haha ru tondu twina guka tu
riu kuria kenari ni muguikara kana ru
ni tugamire tondu ru ndingikara ku wika my sister nake akoretwo arikia cukuru guku Nairobi so gikiuka ru twanjia guikara na my aunt so my aunt guku Nairobi sometimes digicagi gwa shosho like that yes
no ndo gugicoka thutha ona maitwa huruka
Asha I have had very supportive grandparents.
I love that
shosho ito na guka ito ni manyitirire muno for sure
ndo iguire kamusuko kau
no not at all because I remember ona guka hede no mam emurwaru no be kujuria no before results she made no kujuria na riu ri ni mwarikia kigeranio urona to uguthi na mbere guthoma ki you know that was now looking back ni kaundu ni ajeshiragia muno ru ndeciria nionete mam ni arwarire muno na akenda ndigatigire mathomo hau.
Wow.
Yeah.
Riu no igera university.
Ndingira university.
Ni guthoma communications wega.
Ni guthoma wega. Although pia na bursary.
Yes. Oh, help.
Shosho itu hena help. Hena bursary.
Haya.
Riu hena help.
Yes.
Na bursary. Shosho itu aplaga bursary ya uthaya. Na gukaitwa kapra ya starehe.
Aga no akoro kidogo.
Ni thina. Tondu riu matire na mbeca ngugikati.
Maoi mwana manadari aciari uyu witu.
Riu cia compliment each other.
Ikaigora.
Ndarikirie guthoma.
No kaheo help.
Na kaheo help.
Wow. No igua tumia na thurira macori na Nairobi.
Oivanga.